Hi everyone, I'm Matthew and I'm the founder of The Cheese Bar. In May we started selling our grilled cheese at home kits around the country. We wanted to build awareness of our kits, so we turned to Facebook. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a post on Facebook in just 4 steps, so you can start engaging your followers while growing your online presence. Step 1, go to your Facebook page and tap on where it says write something. Step 2, add some text here. I highlighted why these kits would make a delicious breakfast for everyone. Step 3, you can also add an image or a video to your post, or even go live with a tutorial. I added a photo of my grilled cheese kit. Step 4, tap share and your post goes out to your followers on Facebook. Now that you know how to post, here are some of my favourite tips. I'm not usually one to plan ahead, but making a schedule in advance of what and when I'm going to post using the Facebook Pages app makes it easy to post regularly and keep my customers engaged. Grilled cheese is my life, clearly, so I take lots of photos of our sandwiches whilst I'm in the kitchen, so I always have great images to share. We make sure to respond to people's comments and posts, and in time it's started to feel like a real community. Thanks so much for watching.